Good morning, friends. Welcome in Gopinathji Mahila College. My name is Professor Ajay Dodia. BCom SEM 5, Subject Business Communication, Unit 1, Banking Correspondence. Banking correspondence between banks and their clients. So many different ways bank and clients both correspondence between by the letters. So today we discussed and learn about the correspondence between bank and their clients in details. Let's see the first letter asking for stop payment of a check or demand draft. As you know, our first unit and the first questions, customer asking for stop payment of check and demand draft. So let's start. Riddhi Trading Corporations, Khogha Circle, Bhavnagar, 364001, July 12th, 2017. To the manager, ICICI Bank, Ambawadi Road, Bhavnagar, 364001. Respected sir, here you started with a respected sir and subject stop payment of check. Please confirm our telephonic instrument and stop payment of our check already issued by mistake. So here is the client has a big mistakes about the check or demand draft. So the client telephoned to the bank manager. Now he write a letter to the bank manager. So please confirm our telephonic instrument and stop payment of our check already issued by mistake. So here is a big mistake by the client. But what is the mistakes? Let's see. The check had been issued to the party concerned under certainly critical circumstances. Here is a big mistake about the circumstances. Mr. M.K. Shah, who demanded the check for Rs 44,000, immediately could not be identified by our employee. As you know, the 45,000 rupees check immediately could not be identified by our employee. He went off as soon as he got to the check, and within 10 minutes we suspected this identity. Now here a big mistake between client to write a check. We soon after the event gave you telephonic instructions for stop payment of the same check. Now please refer to the following details regarding the check issued. Now a big issued created by the client. First check number CN 5577332, amount Rs 44,000, date July 11, 2017, issued to Mr. M.K. Shah. Reason, Mr. M.K. Shah's identity is questioned. Here is a check was written by the client, but Mr. M.K. Shah's identity is a questioned and also interrogations. Please do not needful in this. Please do not. So please do not needful in this connection and see that the above noted check is not cleared because and paid in any circumstances. We are really sorry to trouble you, but we do hope you will cooperate with me. As the client request to the manager, and he said that I am requested to you, please don't issue this check. We also assure you of more particulars in such matters. Thank you very much. Yours faithfully for Riddhi Trading Corporations, ND Mehta, manager. Now the bank ICICI reply. As you see, reply from the bank regarding stop payment of a check. Let's see. ICICI Bank, Ambawadi Road, Bhavnagar, 364001, July 13, 2017. To the Riddhi Trading Corporations, Khogha Circle, Bhavnagar, 364,001. Respected sir, as you know, the formalities and the totally constructions of the letter. Reference your telephonic instrument and a letter for stop payment of a check. Now manager knew about the whole situations and what issue created by the client and bank and the customers. So now manager write a letter to reply to the client. On receiving your telephonic instructions followed by your letter. First you instructions by given by the phone and telephonic talking with managers. Now you are in written a letter. I have already ordered my cashier to stop the payment of your check number CN 45451 in favor of Mr. M.K. Shah as a when it is a pursued products for the uncancellments, so he will be alert while on duty. As you know, the manager say to the Riddhi Trading Corporations of the manager के unidentified of the M.K. Shah. But sir, please keep it in mind that stop payment of any check already issued does not come into our legal preview. Now manager said to the client of the legal check is issued and does not come in our legal priority of the priority area. It is quite possible that in spite of full attention, the check may be uncashed due to our pressure of work at the cash window. So we can't held responsible in such circumstances. Now the manager said that because he was not responsible for that such circumstances, now give the reasons of the following. You are advised to keep the following point in mind while issuing a check to any party. Now manager advised to the client, if you write any check, remember in your mind these 5 terms and condition. First, the check must be marked account pay only. So as you when you write a check, to cross from the corner and write there account pay only. So there is a account pay only check means to get and give only the member whose name written on the check box. If possible, added the bank's name and account number of the party concerned. If the added, now the added, the manager told to the manager of the Riddhi Trading Corporations. Okay, remember in your mind, if possible, bank's name and also account number to party the concerned. See that the party person in fully identified. The third is very important. You write a letter whose name and clarification. See the party person in the fully identified. And the fifth one, fix up payment hours in your office. Now the fix the payment. When you see your account and credit, then write your check. Draw the check more carefully and write and draw the check more carefully written in name. We therefore emphatically advise you to be more particular before you issue the check to any party concerned. Thank you very much. Thanking you, yours faithfully for ICICI Bank, PG Bhatt of manager. So here advised by the manager of the ICICI Bank to see the first correspondence between the customer asking for the stop payment of check and demand draft, and bank manager also replied to stop requested and gave the advice in the 5 sentences. So we only write a letter through correspondence between bank and clients.